welcome to this walk around video. I'm going to showcase this lovely specified Range Rover Sport. It is a dynamic SE, the D300 3-litre diesel engine. It's got a lovely exterior specification as it's finished in the Carpathian Grey premium metallic. Does also have the black exterior pack, of course 3D surround cameras as standard, the lovely pixel LED headlights. Further features, it does have the upgraded 23-inch 1075 style alloy wheels with the diamond turn finish, along with the red brake calipers. If we move down the side, it does of course have keyless entry, privacy glass a further option, as well as the black contrast roof. Rather than the fixed panoramic roof, you do also have the sliding panoramic glass roof. If we move around to the rear, it does have the electrically deployable tow bar and further black exterior pack accents to the tailgate. If we move inside, it's got arguably the nicest interior combination you can get on the Range Rover Sport, being the light cloud and ebony leather interior. Does of course have the Meridian sound system as standard on the dynamic SE. There you can see the panoramic roof. Does of course have heated outer rear seats, as well as heated front seats, which are 20-way electrically adjustable with the memory function. You do also get a standard the heated steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and all your other functions on the steering wheel. The updated interactive driver's display. As you can see there, the car's covered just over 51,000 miles from new. You do have the large touchscreen with all your media, so CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, and even your 3D surround cameras. Of course, your dual zone climate control, and you do even have a wireless charger underneath the touchscreen. The car does come with a Land Rover and specialist service history, so if you do have any questions on this particular vehicle, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.